Hi, this is Carlos Cousins. This is a writing question that is asking us to consider the underlying portion of a sentence for primarily grammatical errors. So, like most of these sentences, what you have to do is read it to yourself and try to put yourself in the shoes of the person that originally said it or written it and try to get an idea for what we're talking about. So, most people think fiber is too grainy, hence, health food advertisements try to emphasize how smooth certain fiber supplements taste. So, what we're talking about here is that most people have an idea that fiber is going to taste grainy or thick, and so commercials try to portray fiber, at least the ones that are being advertised on commercials, as being smooth. So certain ones are smooth in commercials. And let's go ahead and see why the answer choices here might work or not. So grainy, hence health food advertisements try. Well, the problem with this one is that if you consider this half of the sentence and this half of the sentence, this half can stand as a sentence all by itself, and this half can as well. The problem is that the only way that you can have that in a sentence and it not be a run-on is when you have the word and introduced. So we don't see and here. This sentence becomes a run-on. So we can't just have a comma here. So that doesn't make sense. Let's move on to the next example. Most people think fiber is too grainy. Therefore, health food advertisements try. Well, again, we have that annoying comma there, and therefore serves the exact same purpose as hence. So that one doesn't make sense. Grainy. Health food advertisements try. Again, we have the comma, and we don't have and we have two parts of the sentence that could stand on their own. So again, we still have a run-on there. Grainy. Well, here we no longer have a comma. We've got a semicolon, and a semicolon lets us get away with the fact that we're not using and introducing a sentence that could stand alone by itself. So this seems like a good answer choice so far. Let's go ahead and see if the other one works. Grainy. Because of this, health food advertisements try. Again, we have that annoying comma, and because of this, could be starting a completely different idea. So this is the right answer choice. I hope that helped with this problem, and this is just very simple. If you have a sentence with two different clauses, you need and if each clause can stand alone. And if it cannot, then a comma is acceptable. Well, or instead of and here, we can also have a semicolon or, of course, a period and have a different sentence. So I hope that helped with this problem. Happy prepping.